This video I'm going to try to fix the problem of Wi-Fi Direct not working or it's not turning on. Watch the video until the end. So let's go to find Wi-Fi Direct. I'm going to show you the illustration first, show that it's not working. So open your settings and then tap Wi-Fi, and then you're going to tap additional settings. Basically I'm trying to show you what exactly how the problem looks like. So when you look at this, you notice Wi-Fi Direct, it's a little bit faint and there's nothing like the option of making it go on or going to Wi-Fi Direct lecture and then doing all the other stuff. So basically I'm going to show you how to enable this, how to fix this problem. So all you have to do is, if you're a fan of phone tech tips, tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So as you can see right there, the only basic thing you need to do is look above there and turn your Wi-Fi connection on. When you turn your Wi-Fi connection on, you see now it's now black. Very well, that's why you can just select it and then delete it to Wi-Fi Direct, and there you go, it's now working. So if you pick value in the video, subscribe, just turn on your Wi-Fi and everything will be sorted. Subscribe for more tech tips, tricks.